this is a unique sheet. It's called as a practice sheet. I will be sharing the link in the video, so you can take it and print it. Okay, get as many copies as you want. Take one printout and then you can have Xerox copies or photocopies of it. Say you get at least 20 of them. The practice makes you perfect. So perfect practice makes you even better. So having a sheet like this and practicing it for a long time will definitely improve your handwriting phenomenally. Take the challenges every day. So today's challenge is, okay, you have to write a C like this. This is the shape of the C. You must be writing correctly. So this is the perfect shape of C. Is imagine there is a middle line. First you have to start at this point, touch the line, go all the way back, down and bring it up. This is the shape of the C I'm looking for. I want you to practice. So start at this corner, go all the way back and bring it up. So this is a perfect C. So look here again. Start from this corner, go all the way back and up. So you must get this right. If you learn C, then you learn about 7 letters. Write C in about 2 to 3 sheets until you become perfect in drawing the C correctly. You know what? Handwriting is an art. An art needs skill, and skill should be developed. So look here. Now I write C, C, C. So look what happens. Now this became A. Now drawing a line here makes it D, and C is a letter. And if you join from the middle, it becomes E. And then a line which goes down makes it G. And then O. And then write another C. And then that's Q. So now what I want you to do is take a sheet like this. When you are really good at drawing C, then start practicing these letters.